Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit BNB and Trust Wallet. It's an easy process. All you have to do is simply select the BNB. As you can see, it's highlighted here. And for this video, we're going to be working with the BNB Smart Chain. So now in order to deposit, you could either click on the receive option to receive your BNB from either an exchange or another wallet. And in order to do this, simply click on the receive icon and copy your address and paste wherever it's needed, or simply select the deposit from an exchange, which is going to be a simple transfer from an exchange to your Trust Wallet account. Now, all you need to do to get yourself some BNB, to deposit some BNB directly, you could click on the buy option, enter an amount, let's say $15, click on the next option, and you're going to be taken to Ramp. That's the Ramp network. And then all you're going to do is simply click on the proceed option after you enter your country of residence or your region. Once you've entered that, simply enter your email, which is going to be here, and click on continue. And then proceed to enter your confirmation codes from your email. So, okay, and you click on confirm. And then you're taken to a menu where you select your wallet type. So please select the self-hosted wallet and click on I confirm ownership of the wallet, continue. And then proceed to select your payment method, which in our case is the card payment. Click on continue again. Simply enter your address, and once you're done using your address, you then enter your card details. That is your debit or your credit card. And once these details are entered, that's the card number, expiration date, and security code, you could then proceed to buy your BNB from Ramp, and it would be instantly deposited in your Trust Wallet, which you could confirm by simply reloading the Trust Wallet application, and you'd find your BNB there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.